Welcome to the video in the darkness. Okay, so I'm in my garage. I don't have a studio light in here right now. I could go get one. However, right this second, I don't feel like doing that. So today, we're going to be putting on this screen protector. This is just something from the car that I took off and stuck on the box because I didn't feel like doing anything with it. Alright, so we have this Topfit screen protector. We're going to be putting this on today. Hopefully, if I can open this up. I've already opened the box. Thought I opened the box. Apparently I didn't open the box. There we go. Okay. There are instructions. Okay, step 1. Please keep Tesla monitor screen clean. Installation cleaning kit, surface wipes, and blah blah. Peel off protective backing. Mask. Make sure to put in alignment. Put both sides down. Sinus application from top to bottom will be easier. Gently, carefully adhere the tempered glass on to the touchscreen. Okay. Installation auxiliary tools. I'm guessing this is just cleaning cloth. Dust absorber. The hell's a dust absorber? Bro, it's already got a protective screen on it. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm thinking I'm just gonna go for it. Don't hate me for this, guys. There's 2. If you guys hear that buzzing sound, that is my car. However, I don't know what it is and I don't know how to make it stop. I've already turned off the air conditioning. But guessing that's on. Okay, so peel this off. Very satisfying. Oh, can't believe I just did that. Feels bad. Alright. Peel that off. What we're going to do is we're going to put this like this. That's the air conditioning. And that's on there. What is that? Safety and security? Service? Just headlights, camera calibration, safety and security. display, auto, clean screen mode. Oh. One of these wipes. Make sure we wipe it on. Be honest with you, I'm not too sure how I feel about this screen protector, but we're going to give it a shot. It's a matte screen protector. And we'll hang on to this in the car to see how it goes. And there you go. That's going to do it for the install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pretty straightforward. Topfit touch screen protector for Model 3, Model Y off of Amazon. Link will be in the description. It's not an affiliate link. I don't have affiliate links as of yet. And that's that. Alright.